What's up guys, welcome to Ultimate Karate. In today's lesson, we are learning katas Taikyoku Shodan, Taikyoku Nidan, and Taikyoku Shodan. So I'm going to explain all three. If you guys are ready, let's get right into it. Taikyoku Shodan! Taikyoku Shodan! So starting off with kata Taikyoku Shodan, there are two important moves you need to know, which are downward block and oizuki. So basically low block and punch. Geran barai and oizuki. The only stance you need to know for this kata is called zen kutsudachi, otherwise known as French stance. So the first move, I'm going to be in yoi, my ready position. I'm going to look to my left and I'm going to do a low block, stepping out with my left leg into Zen Kutsudachi. So to do that, my left hand goes on top of my shoulder. I point my other hand in the direction I'm going, step down, pull the other hand back to our hip. This is called hiite. Stepping forward, we're gonna go oizuki, lunge punch. So this kata has like an I-shaped pattern. So for me to get to the other side, I'm gonna take my punching hand, put it on top of my shoulder, other hand shoots out to protect my center line, and I'm going to spin towards my bent elbow. Downward block to the other side, and punch. So first four moves actually, downward block punch, downward block punch. You repeat that sequence 3 times in the entire kata. Okay, so first 4, I go downward block, punch, downward block, punch. Now after you do that main sequence, I'm going to do a downward block to the middle. Now once I reach the middle, I do 3 punches. Ich, ni, and on number 3 we kiai, san, hai! Now after the kiai, you're going to do what's called the spin. To do that, I'm going to take the hand that's on my hip this time, put it on top of my shoulder, and the whole kata, you're going to spin towards your bent elbow. This time, moving my back leg around, and land in downward block, just like the main sequence, 4 moves. Okay, downward block, punch, downward block, punch. So after that sequence again, we go down the middle, it's like drawing an I. Okay, downward block, 3 punches down the middle, ich, ni, kiai, hai. So on number 3, kiai. On the kiai punch, we don't wind up with our punching hand. We put the hand on our hip on top of our shoulder. This time, spin towards our bent elbow. Just like the beginning, downward block, punch, downward block, and punch. Yame, yame means stop, and bow. Los. Alright, so now that you guys have a better understanding of the kata, I'm going to count it out for you guys step by step. Ready? Starting off in yoi, announce your kata. Taikyoku Shodan. Ich, ni, san, shi, go, ro, sich, hach, ai, hyu, ich, ni, san, shi, go, ro, ai, six, hach, 9, はい、直れ。おっす。対局2段。Taikyoku Nidan! Alright, so now that you guys are done with Taikyoku Shodan, we're going to move on to Taikyoku Nidan. So this kata is actually exactly the same in terms of the sequence and pattern. The only difference between Taikyoku Shodan and Taikyoku Nidan is that the punches are all Jodan level. Jodan meaning face target, okay? High level. And Taikyoku Shodan is aimed to the stomach. Taikyoku Nidan is aimed to the face. So keep that in mind. Enjoy. First move, downward block to our left side. Okay, so again, you're replacing all the punches with Jodan Oizuki. Okay, punching high to the face, downward block to the other side, and punch to the face, downward block to the middle, 3 punches, all high, and kiai on number 3. Okay, again, spinning around on the kiai punch. We take the hand that's on our hip, put that on our shoulder to wind up, spin towards your bent elbow, all the way around. Then, Jodan Oizuki. Okay, downward block, Jodan Oizuki. Downward block. 3 punches, and kiai. Again, spinning around, hand on my hip goes on my shoulder, spin to my bent elbow, downward block, Jodan Oizuki, and finish off the kata. HEIAN. Os. Alright guys, Taikyoku Nidan, step by step. Ayoi. Announce your kata. Taikyoku Nidan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 2, 2. HEIAN. HEIAN. Os. Taikyoku Shodan. Taikyoku Shodan! Alright guys, moving on to Taikyoku Shodan. Okay, Taikyoku Shodan is a bit more complex because it involves a new block and a new stance. So the block you're doing is uchioke, okay, inside block, okay, so that is the new block you're doing. You're still doing downward block in some sequences, and you're still doing oizuki, lunge punch, but in some parts you're going chudan level, some parts you're hitting high to jodan. Also, you still have zen kutsudachi front stance, and the other stance you're going to be using in this kata is kokutsudachi, okay, back stance. The main difference between front stance is that your weight is to the front, back stance, your weight is to the back, and that your feet are actually in one line. Whereas Zen Kutsudachi, you have space for balance, okay? So keep that in mind. Starting off in Yoi, Nancho Kata, Taikyoku Shodan. First move is Uchioke to our left side, stepping into Kokutsudachi. Okay, ready? Okay, so our weight is to the back. From here, you have to shift all the way forward. So there's a bit more distance you have to cover and more shift you need to display for your technique. So my weight is to the back. Now I shift all the way forward, bend my front knee, oizuki chudan level. Now spinning around, okay, my punching hand is gonna wind up for uchioke and kokutsudachi, back stance. So the first 4 moves, that main sequence, is gonna be uchioke, churanzuki, uchioke, and churanzuki. Okay, going down the middle, just a regular downward block. Now once you reach the middle, you do 3 punches. To the face, ready, knee, kiai, hai! So after the kiai, you repeat the main sequence. Again, you're not doing downward block punch, downward block punch. You're going uchioke and then punch. Okay, so from here, okay, weight to the back, uchioke, and oizuki, churan level, uchioke, churanzuki. Okay, downward block, to the middle. Once you're in the middle, you're gonna go 3 punches. High, knee, high, high. You're spinning around, uchioke, oizuki, uchioke, and oizuki. HEIAN. Aiba. Alright guys, Taikyoku Shodan, step by step. Yoi! Nancho Kata, Taikyoku Shodan! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, HEIAN. And bow. Os.